In this tutorial, we will be focusing on increment operators and decrement operators. So it is nothing but increment by 1 and decrement by 1. We call these two as increment decrement operators in C language. So, I am considering A and B, two values, and I am initializing them also. Initializing them as 10 and 20. I'm going for increment now. I'm going for decrement here. I'm printing the values. Now let's execute this. So you can clearly see that A is 11 and B is 19. Now let's make some modifications here so that we can easily understand the code even better. So here, this is called post increment. This is called post decrement. Now when I add plus plus here, okay, this is called pre-increment and pre-decrement. Here also there is no change, but the change will happen here. Okay, if I write post increment here, and here also I am writing post increment. So expect what you are thinking as output. So it became 11 here, it became 19. So it should be a plus plus. So 11 should become 12 and this should become 20. Okay, let's run this. So, but what is the problem here? This is post increment. That means only after completion of this line of execution, okay, only after completion of this line of execution, the values will be assigned. Okay, now I am removing these two and I am trying to print them. I'm considering a backslash in for printing in a new line. So what will happen here? A is 11 and 19 in that line. This is post increment. So by the completion of the line, the values got updated and they are printed here. It is also the same case with minus. Okay. Now what is happening? One value decremented. Suppose if I place this here. Okay. Even if I place this here, what will happen? Already it is 19. 19 will become, here you can see that 11 and this is 19. What is this? Pre-decrement. So before moving to the next line, the values are updated. This is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. In case of post-increment and decrement, only after executing that statement, the values in that statement, the values will remain as previous values. After completion of that statement, when the execution moves to the next line, the values will get updated. This is the important point we have to remember related to increment and decrement operator, pre-decrement and pre-increment and pre-decrement, post-increment and post-decrement. Thank you.